Starting with the 100, lie on your back, raise your legs to a tabletop position. Lift your shoulders off the mat, nodding the chin down towards your chest, arms reaching forward. You can keep your legs here or straighten them out at an angle. Engage the core and pulse the arms up and down, you guessed it, 100 times. To increase the intensity of this exercise, you can lower your legs closer to the ground, keeping them as straight as possible. If that hurts your lower back, just keep them a little bit higher or in tabletop position. Keep that core engaged and remember to keep your chin nodding down towards your chest to try to relieve any pressure from the neck. If you feel any pain in the neck, lower your head back down to the mat, take a small rest, and bring it right back up. When you're done, pull your knees in towards your chest and lower your head back down to the mat. Place your feet down hip-width apart, far enough from your hips that you can just reach them with your fingertips, going into heel touches 10 times on each side. Center yourself back down on the mat. Bring your arms out to a T and pull your legs to tabletop position, knees and heels glued together. Lower your legs to the right side as far as you can without lifting through the left shoulder. Making sure to keep the knees and heels together, lift the legs and send them over to the left this time. Repeat on each side 3 more times.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away.
place your mat. Reach opposite hand to foot in a twisted fold, alternating sides for a total of 6 reps. Pull your legs to a cross-legged position, and if you can, to a lotus pose. Place your hands firmly and comfortably down at your sides and press through to lift the body to a float hold. It's okay if your feet stay on the mat as long as your hips are lifted up. Hold for 10 seconds. Lower back down to the mat and transition through to a forearm plank. Alternate drop one hip at a time down to the mat, 8 times each side. Going into commandos, lifting to extended plank, then back down to forearm plank. Do this 2 times, then return to extended plank. Touching opposite knee to arm with as much control as possible for 8 total mountain climber twists. Lower your knees and stretch it back, rotating the wrists if you need to. Return to extended plank. To opposite toe taps, alternating sides 10 times total. Pull your right knee in down center to hover and hold for about 10 seconds. Repeat on the other side. Return, lower your knees, and stretch it back. Return to extended plank and reach your opposite arm and leg up as best you can 3 times on each side. Going into 2 commandos, ending in a forearm plank. Open up to a side plank, hand behind your head, dip the hips 5 times. Then twist, elbow to mat 5 times. Repeat that on the other side, 5 dips, then 5 twists. Return to plank, lower your knees, and stretch it back. Make your way to a forearm plank. We're going to hold for 60 seconds. Lower the knees, stretch it back. Coming forward to a cobra stretch. Making your way to a seated position, both legs bent, left leg in, right leg out, side bend to the left. Then over to the right. Flip your legs and bend one more time to each side. Making your way onto your back, you can pull your knees in towards your chest. Extend your legs out long, down on your mat, arms at your sides, taking a few deep breaths to finish up.